Welcome to Graded Picture Playground. I'm Valentine Ose. Today I will be showing you three quick ways to import clips and create sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018. The very first step is to go to your project window and double click. It will instantly pop up where your videos are. If yours doesn't display like this, it's a matter of going into your PC and choose the exact location where your video clips are for you to access it this way. So mine is pop up. Then I can click on any of the video and click on open. It will instantly import that clip into my project. Then the next one is going into your file, you scroll down to import. It will take you to where your video clips are saved, and just as I did now, I click on any of them, open, and it will be imported into my project. That is another step. Then the other one which I often use is the Control I, which is the keyboard shortcut for those who are using PC. Control I, and it will pop it up, and I click on any of them to open, and that clip will be imported into my project. Those are the three basic way you can use in importing clips into your Premiere Pro CC 2018. Then when creating sequence, I have other ways that I have used. The first one is coming into the file, then I highlight new, scroll down to sequence. At times you can also use the Control N and you will achieve the same result. That is the keyboard shortcut for creating new sequence, Control N. Then you'll see that the presets, the sequence preset that is inbuilt in Adobe Premiere Pro will be popped up. So you just need to scroll through the one that suits the kind of camera that was used in recording. So let's say AVC HD, and I scroll down to 1080p, which is a full HD 25 frames per second. I click on that and I OK. You will see that it will create the sequence and timeline instantly. Then that is the first step to create a timeline. Then the other one is coming to your project bin. You highlight the particular clip that you want to start editing with. You just highlight, you right click, then you scroll down, you scroll up to wherever you see this new sequence from clip, and it will create a sequence with the clip that is on your project bin and import that project instantly into your timeline to enable you start editing. So sometimes the reason for this action is most people don't really know the particular frame size or codec that the clip contains. So with the aid of this function, you are easily able to create sequence without actually bugging yourself. So that is a very nice feature that is present in the Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018. So that is one. Then another option which I often use is the drag and drop, which I'll show you. This is a folder containing my video clip. It's just for me to pick any of the clip that I want to take into my timeline. I just hold it down and you see here it's showing plus copy, which means that I'm holding a clip. So, and you also see the write-up that is here, drop media here to create sequence. So if I release this clip that I'm holding here, instantly you will see it importing and it will create a sequence the way you see it appear now, and the project will be on the timeline and I can start editing. So these are the various procedure or the quick ways that you can import clips into your Premiere Pro CC 2018 and also create sequence as well. So you can apply or adopt any of these styles and you will still achieve the same result. So please subscribe to this channel where I will be taking you through tips on how to use the Premiere Pro CC as a beginner or a pro. I will be dropping various videos on certain features that are present in the Adobe Premiere Pro CC, which will aid you to edit faster. Thank you. Once again, I am Valentine Ose. See you next time.